This is a gym maxing tutorial. So in this video, I want to talk about on how to gym max, but not necessarily in the same mainstream way that everyone talks about gym maxing. Everyone seems to think they know what gym maxing is. Everyone seems to think they know the key to attraction. But in this video, I want to give you the truth. I want to tell you how to maximize your gym results, but not to look the biggest guy out there, not to particularly be the strongest guy out there, but to get girls. And if you're someone that's interested in this video, I highly recommend you to stick with me till the end, because I am that guy that gets girls just because of his body. I am that guy that attracts girls just because of the way I look, and I am that guy that knows on how to seduce them. And that's why in this video I want to give you the gym maxing secrets so you can become that guy as well. And with that said, let's get started. So the first thing that I want to get out of the way is that nowadays a lot of individuals see all of these fitness YouTubers, all of these influencers be extremely big, and they think that they need to become this big just to even have a chance with women. But unfortunately for a lot of these individuals, that's far from the truth. In my experience, when it comes to science, when it comes to evolution, even though if you're a muscular guy, it shows that you're dominant, it shows that you've got power. The downside is that if you're too muscular, you simply scare all of these girls away, and it doesn't even look natural, and that's why they don't even find your physique attractive. The most attractive type of physique to have is a functional body, is a quote-unquote warrior body, because this is exactly the body that's strong enough but then also capable to protect that woman. And this is something they're attracted to from an evolutionary perspective. They want someone with broad shoulders, small waist, because these type of men have the best sort of functional body to throw a spear. Also simply think about fighters. Fighters aren't always the biggest guys out there, but they do have a functional body. They have a respectable amount of muscle on their body, but then they are also lean. And when I was young, I always used to be an extremely skinny guy, and during the pandemic I became skinny fat. But I never got compliments for the way I looked, at least not the way how my body was. I obviously did get attention for my face, the way I speak and how I seduce people, but it was never for my physique until I started to work out, until I started to put in the effort. And then the first time I was seduced just simply for having an amazing physique was in Ibiza last year. So when it comes to Ibiza, it's quite a rich place with a lot of rich high-end individuals, and there ended up being this Swedish supermodel, and she only selected me for the way my body looked. And as you can see on the screen right now, I was extremely lean. I wasn't particularly the biggest guy out there. I'm like 6 foot tall and I was only 70 kg. But because I had a lean and functional body, that's what she found attractive. You kind of want to have a body that's on the low. A body that looks kind of skinny when you're putting a shirt on, and people don't necessarily think that you work out or you don't go to the gym that much. But when you take your shirt off, there's this wow factor. They'll be like, whoa, I didn't expect that. I didn't expect you to be chiseled. I didn't expect you to have abs, because this is the most attractive type of body. And thus, if you're someone that's looking to gym max to get more attention from girls, this is the type of body you want to have, not the bodybuilder type. And if you guys want me to make a future update where I go into more specifics, or you have a specific video idea, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I genuinely appreciate your time, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye bye.